it shouldn't have to be a reminder, but if it is, it is. But look, y'all, why the fuck can I find a page? Don't have me looking crazy. Don't have me looking crazy. Don't. Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And today the video is titled Just a Reminder. Because I have a reminder for you guys that I saw on Reddit. And I know around this time of year everyone gets frantic about their planners. How to plan it, their planners. What planner systems they're gonna do. What kind of planners are they going to get? Are they having any kind of life crisis? Well, let me tell you. It's all good. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. I was scrolling on Reddit and I came across a post and I just thought it'd be fun to share because, yeah, some of us need a reminder. Seriously. Some of us are beating ourselves up too much. I'm not over a planner, sis. Not over a planner, okay? Just a reminder that writing something is better than nothing. And look at this picture. Even if you have no energy to write, make a pretty spread or anything, getting something down is better than nothing and better to help maintain the habit and even get some feelings out. That part. I also feel like it's more true to yourself and looking back will show more truly how life was. Let's look at the picture one more time. Because if you haven't seen some of my older planner tees, sometimes in the community, people always got something to say when it comes to someone's planning style or decorative planning versus minimal planning. Can I just say, who cares? Who cares? Because it's your planner, okay? Let me make you feel a little bit better. As someone who consistently does decorative planning and decorative spreads, make content with that, but also genuinely loves decorative planning. Also, I just did this on stream, so hopefully my stream is still up on Twitch. But I would love for y'all to check it out because I do my decorative planning pretty much on stream now. Like, it's fun to talk to everybody in real time and all that good stuff. So definitely check out my Twitch. Everything's in the description box. So look how cute it is. The foil just, I'm sorry, not this morning. I want to show y'all a page because I know exactly what she means, okay? And honestly, it shouldn't have to be a reminder, but if it is, it is. But look, y'all, why the fuck can I find a page? Don't have me looking crazy. Don't have me looking crazy. Don't. Okay, found the page. My page look like hers. Like, it's okay. It's fine. Let me show you another one. Keke, what are you showing us? It's blank. That's my point. Sometimes we don't get to our planners, and that's okay. It's not the end of the world. And don't sit here and let people in the community tell you that it's an issue, okay? Because I don't know why, but that's weird. Some people do. You'll be surprised. Check out my older planner tees. Check them out. Yes, I love this post. It really is. Like, yes, it's okay. We all have our days. Honestly, I've been tired lately and feeling sick lately. And we'll talk more about that later. Okay, but I have been missing a lot of days in all my planners and journals. And that's okay. It was hard for me to get over too, but it was nice instead of trying to keep it pretty and letting it pile up on me. Exactly. Like, I think that's something I had to work on too this year was, if pages weren't decorated, it's not the end of the world. It's okay. And I think, it hits a little more home for me because as a content creator, people do look to me for inspiration with planner spreads. But honestly, I have years and years and years worth of inspiration. Missing a week or a month ain't gonna kill us, okay? Most of the empty pages I had when I was sick. So I'll go back and just write sick. And that's okay. Thanks for this reminder. Something is better than nothing. Or honestly, nothing just means nothing is written down. That's it. Nothing just means nothing is written down. Damn. Also, another reminder, it's okay to go back in your planner if you missed the day and you want to write the to-dos you already did for that day. It's okay to go back. It's okay to go back and write it down. It's fine. It's fine. Not everyone's hobo journey is going to be artistic and aesthetic all the time. The most important thing is you're enjoying yourself while making entries. Can we talk about the hobo community? Y'all scare me. Oh my gosh, when I tell you, I thought the Happy Planet community was cultish. Oh no, Hobonichi. Oh, you gotta be careful what you say about their paper. They get mad. They get mad about their paper. But I don't care, it's still thin. It's not a deal breaker, but it's still thin. For me, I see my Hobonichi, but honestly, you could see any planner like that. But you know, they're talking about a Hobonichi and showing a Hobonichi. For me, I see my Hobonichi as truly my life book. And I actually, don't they call it that? As in, it's an accurate snapshot of my life at that time. I don't see any point in lying on the pages. If a page has a single word on it, when I go back to read that, even with that one word, I've got an accurate vision of the day. Not every page is pretty and full of things to say, just like not every day is pretty and full of things to say. You better get it. I like that. Not every page is pretty and full of things to say. Just like not every day is pretty and full of things to say. Hey, I like how she said that. Because seriously, your planner should reflect who you are and how you want to do it. If you're not an aesthetic ass planner, girl, then don't. Okay? And if you don't feel like being minimal and you just want to do extra shit, then that's okay. Y'all can do that. Thanks for the reminder. I'm literally ready to my techo. I think I finally learned how to say it right, y'all. Hobonichi techo 2026. Okay, I finally get it together. I've been repurposing this to use this 2025, but y'all get my point. For the days where the pages is blank, I write a quote or a joke, reflections and laughter. That's a great idea. And towards the end, I could tell you different things you can like keep track of if you want to feel kind of consistent with using your planner, but not exactly can plan, you know what I'm saying, but just want to feel a little consistent. You know, some people just track their mood every day, and that's good enough for them. If they miss all their to-do and stuff or writing it down, they're gonna get their mood down. That's me. I do the same, or use it for a random brain dump, which is another good idea. Brain dump is a great idea. Or letters to my inner child or Bible study. Oh, I actually find joy in going back and using the pages that I didn't write in, like a little treasure hunt. Didn't I say that? You can go back and write on old pages. Absolutely. Even a small note or simple spread counts. What matters is keeping the habit alive and letting yourself get something out. Over time, those little entries really capture your life and feelings in a way nothing else can. It's all about progress, not perfection. But what if you're a perfectionist? But what if you're a perfectionist? Yes, that's how my journal looks. Sometimes I just add a pretty sticker, if I have it, or try to draw a very simple doodle, like very simple, okay? Don't overcomplicate it, because that's the shit that's gonna make you not use your planner, when you overcomplicate it, okay? And I think I spent the whole year overcomplicating it. I am not talented when it comes to drawing or stuff, but I still journal to get things off my head or plan things I need to do. I'm not an artist, nor am I paid to make pretty spreads for social medias. I'm just a regular person who benefits a lot from writing things down, and it's just a shame that people feel compelled to make artsy or pretty spreads all the time. I mean, I have to meet expectations enough already in life. Just let me do whatever the heck I want with my journal with zero pressure. But that's the thing, you can. I talked about this in previous Planner Teas. I'm not going to even get into it. I talked about this in previous Planner Teas. You literally do not have to feel pressure or compared. At least over here, I don't do that to do that. Because I just love decorating. And many of us really, truly just love decorating. It's okay. It's okay. The true planners really don't give a damn. Because we're so busy in our planners trying to give a damn about those and make sure those are on par. I don't have time to think about somebody else's planner. Like, it's okay. I love how you wrote out the days. Thanks. On a typical day, I like to use a stamp and make it look good. But you can see I was just tired of and doing a low effort thing. It'd be like that. It'd be like that. Okay, I gotta find a page again. Hold on, y'all. I wanted to show. Ugh. Look. Compared to okay? It be like that. I just glue magazine pics all over it. Even the whole page sometimes. That's cute. Some people do like a quick like junk journal for the page or something, because some people do like don't want to have blank pages. And that's okay. My point is, don't feel like you have to write and plan every single thing, because plans don't always go as planned. And I'm learning that even more this year. Plans don't always go as planned. Feeling you there. I wrote day off and that was it. Better than checklist. I have all the other days. I wish I could, but I just can't. Been my biggest issue with journaling. And then when I do push it and try to just write whatever, I feel like I destroyed my journal and needed to start over with a new one. I feel like my brain is definitely broken somewhere. Well, we're not going to say your brain is broken. Oh, but you don't want to try to start new ones. Have you seen the money and overconsumption in this community? I know I'm supposed to talk about it, so I keep forgetting. That makes me sad. I'm sorry that seems to consume you so much. I hope one day it's possible to free yourself from the fear of making mistakes. But I'm also sure your journal is beautiful. You're doing a great job. I use my Hobo not as a journal, but as a record of what I did that day. It took me several years of bullet journaling using a modified version of the original method with rapid logging and no fancy decorations to get to the point where I didn't just stop using a journal because I haven't written in it regularly enough. It's okay, yeah. You appear to be a visual artist, so that actually makes sense. I don't share your talent. Mine is just in writing. That's a talent too, though. It really is. But I'm also particular about my entries in my cousin. So I have a separate, is it Jibun Techo? Wow, okay. I gotta look up what that is. Days planner that I use for my daily to-do list is schedule. And I use the right column in it to make any notes about my day or thoughts. Okay, hope this gives y'all ideas now. Then when I have time, I journal in my cousin and I cross out my scribbled notes, thoughts, shorthand in my planner. If I don't have time, then I eventually go back to it, or I don't leave the page blank. Okay. Where am I at? My reading. I lost where I was at. Fall's been chaotic for me, so I have a lot of empty days. I like to use stickers in my diary, or on some days, these crazy days, I've just decorated the page with the stickers I want around my writing. Maybe I'll eventually go back and fill in. Maybe I won't. We'll see. Come on now, y'all. I just want to give a friendly reminder that the planner community is versatile. It's not a monolith. And there are so many planners and journals and ways that you can use your planner now. Okay? And some of my favorite things to do when I miss days in my planner, go back and fill it in. I do like maybe a quick mood tracking for the day. Sometimes I just decorate it with stickers. That's okay too, you know. If you really feel like you don't want a blank page in your planner, or I leave the shit blank, and I have a lot of blank days in this planner. Look, y'all, this was October, okay? Simple as fuck, which is how I want it. I want it simple because I don't know, functionality, but also look at November. I didn't even damn start it. So honestly, it's whatever. You just have fun with your planner. That's the point, because if you don't like it, then you're not going to use it. Come on, let's think about it here. Don't you leave just yet. If you don't like it, you might not use it. So use it to your liking, okay?